So we're going to show you the Campus Legends NFT Inventory Database. So NFT stands for non-fungible tokens, and this is a database you can use and customize in order to keep track of all your NFT purchases and holdings, particularly those for Campus Legends. So let's take a quick tour of the application. The first place I would always direct you to is table maintenance. And what you kind of find is our templates are designed in order to be customized, and that's why they're written the way they are. But Makeman's tables, a lot of what you're going to find in drop-down boxes is populated from this menu. So just go down real quickly, brand, event. So there's the brand, the category. We've put a few in here as starters, the edition type, where the token was ordered from, position, price guides showing you the drop and floor prices, and the sport embalmed. I'm going to go ahead and close this, and we have a few NFTs in here already. I'm going to go to search NFT inventory, and just by pressing search, we get a list of some NFTs that we've already added in here. So let's add a new one, and let's go for Mike Councey Silver. Okay, so I'm just going to put in some information here. Let's say it was purchased July of 2024. It was purchased at a cost of, let's say, $4 originally. As an appraisal value, let's say that's the current value of 15, or the serial number back ordered from, let's say the NFT store, order number, and we'll say it wasn't sold. And here we see it in the updated list. So now let's say it was sold for, let's just say $20. And let's leave off the sold fee for now. We save and close. Now you see it's marked as sold. And so what you could do in the search is we can, in this bottom row, there are drop-down boxes. But let's go to some of these numerical columns. We'll go to cost. Right now, that's the total cost. We can have the average cost. Count really isn't going to tell us much there. Of course, we want to make sure these are consistent. That's average. And so if you're going to have one as average, you want to have them all as average, probably. So it's actually changes back to sum. That would make the most sense. And you can see the average gain or loss of value is computed in this right-hand column. And of course, you can search for sold only. You can search for unsold only. So let's go ahead and close this. And we'll add avenue purchase is what we did before, but this is another way you can enter the same information. And if we now export to Excel, we can see the same information opened in spreadsheet form. And of course, we can finish up with reports. You go to inventory on hand, and we'll just leave off the export to Excel on this. But again, this is, just another look at the inventory. Purchases by date through today's date. The price guide that we just talked about. And of course, the inventory value detail. The reports may look a bit generic, and again, that's okay. As I explained earlier, these are meant to be customized. So you want to put a logo on here. You want to change the farm, change how things are laid out. That's completely up to you. The purchase comes with full access to the source code, all the design materials, or you can customize if you know access, or you can hire someone, or you can hire us to make this database template into a database that meets your every need. So that is a demonstration of the Campus Legends NFT Inventory Database.